And now it's time for Simon and Durple Shorts. This has gore. If you're sensitive to it, please leave immediately. Don't ask what the episode's called. This credit goes out to this YouTuber named Human Name for making a spectacular video like this. Now I'm telling y'all, these kids nowadays, they are their own person. Ain't no talking no sense into these Gen Zers. You know, I'm driving home and these kids throwing Mario. Here comes it. I'm driving home and these kids throwing Mario at my. Gosh dang it, you denting my truck. Tuesday. A man's truck is his castle. Whee! And I'm gonna. Oh, my truck. Fling. You denting my truck. Fling. Now I'm gonna. God, I'm gonna get you one of these days. Yeah, I'm gonna get you one of these days. Who's gonna be paying to get all the dents out? Fling. No, don't you do it. Gosh dang it, Wenda. Respect my truck. My truck. 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 My truck. You know what? Enough is enough. I'm going to catch Wenda. Get back here, Wenda. I'm going to take you to Durple, and you're going to get whooped with the Hot Wheels track, making fun of me down at the mechanics because I've got these Mario-shaped dents inside of my. Fling. No, don't you. God, Wenda. I don't care if you're mine, I'm going to still whoop you. I think I done lost one of my shoes. Next day. Yo, this is good. I've got you on film. This is evidence. Fling. When I go down to the Supreme Court, truck. I've got you on film. Next day. My therapist says, just ignore her. Pretend it don't bother you. They just want attention. Fling. Just ignore them. Oh, you denting my truck. When I show this video to a wax, he gonna truck. Wenda's parents ain't gonna be paying man to fix my truck. She needs to stay at home and wait for me to get home and play games with Garnold and Wax, and then they get on the computer and they play some Minecraft. I'm right here. I see you. I see you. You ain't even hiding from nothing. Come on out of here. Fling. And don't throw the. You denting my truck. When he got home. Alright. Wenda must have beat me there. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing this video to a wax. Yo, a wax. What is it, soldier? Hey, I want to show you this video real quick. Okay? Is that Wenda in the video? Yes. And she keep throwing Mario at my truck. Just watch till the end. after they got done watching the video. You know, I'm going to go I'm going to go find Wenda. Wenda! Get down here! You know, yo, what? What do you want? What do I want? Oh, I'll tell you, Missy. Why do you keep throwing Mario's at Simon's truck? Just like Carter did the human name. Because this is America and I have my rights, you know. I still don't care. You are grounded, grounded, grounded. Now haul your butt to your room right now. And don't even think about coming out. You don't get no supper for the rest of the week. You don't eat nothing for the rest of the week. So you'll suffer just like Simon did. How many times did she throw that thing at your truck? Oh, she threw it a lot. So we're going to have to serve us much more lunch and dinner. And maybe even breakfast too. Yo, you know I can't go about a couple days without food, right? Well, go drink out of the toilet if you need to eat. Ew, no, I'm not doing that. Fine, you'll be grounded for an extra 2 weeks. Now go. Go on, get. Hooray, she is gone. Now we can celebrate the rest of her life without her.